The conveyor system on the Etnyre Live Bottom is designed to provide years of trouble-free service. However, proper chain tension is important. Chains that are too tight may result in premature wear of the chain, sprockets, bearings, and gearboxes. Chains that are too loose create a risk that the chain may not track properly. Check the chain tension every week or every 15 unload cycles when the chains are new. The frequency of the chain adjustment inspections can be gradually reduced after the initial break-in period. The length of the break-in period will depend on the configuration and the use of the trailer. After the break-in period, the chains will consistently remain in proper adjustment between inspections. Tighten the chain using the adjustment at the front carrier. Tighten each side equally and measure to ensure that the carrier remains perpendicular to the trailer frame. Square the belt carrier with equal bearing location measurements on both sides of the trailer. Continue tightening the chain until the links in the tightest chain can be rotated 20 to 30 degrees. This can be accomplished with the chain tension fork. Insert the fork through the inspection hole and engage a chain link. A 1/2 inch socket wrench is then used to twist the chain link. If the tightest chain can be rotated more than 30 degrees, further tightening at the front carrier is required. If the tightest chain cannot be rotated 20 degrees, the chain is too tight and should be loosened at the front carrier. After setting the tension of the tightest chain, use the chain tension fork to check the tension of the remaining chains. If the links of any chain can be rotated more than 90 degrees, that chain is too loose and one link must be removed.